guys, from Maestro Iacopelli and welcome back. Did you see the previews of this video? Garlic bread sticks by Maestro Vito Iacopelli. I mean, take a look of these beautiful bread sticks. I mean, that's crazy. Listen to this. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy breadsticks by Maestro Vito Iacopelli. I'm gonna put my little Italian touch. I made this breadsticks a little bit different from the usual. We don't want those breadsticks that hurt your teeth, too super crunchy. So we want soft and crunchy in the same time. So that's what I'm talking about. These are crunchy and soft in the same time, easy to bite. Let's not waste the time. Let's get into this recipe. Enjoy, smash the like and subscribe. And I'll see you what? Go watch the recipe. Enjoy and watch into the end. 150 milligrams of water, 5 grams of dry yeast, 5 grams of honey. Melt the honey in the water. 210 grams of flour. Now grab a spatula and let's start to make the pizza dough. Mix everything until it's all integrated. A tablespoon of olive oil. Voila. Now form a ball. Then at this point, let's add 10 grams of salt. Now let's integrate everything. For a few minutes, and this is how the dough looks like. Nice and so. Now let's get a plastic wrap and let's go ahead and let's put the plastic wrap to cover up, and now this way the dough doesn't get dry. Voila, so let it sit for 1 hour and then let's go ahead and see the second step. And voila, this is how we find the dough. Almost double up the sides. Now it's time to go ahead and reball it. There's two ways to reball this. You can reball it inside here, or you can just do what I do. Grab the old ball and put it in the counter. Now we're just gonna go ahead and reform the ball. Nice and tight. Voila. Go ahead and place it again inside the container. Little bit of same oil that is on in the bowl, and let's go ahead and put the plastic wrap on top. Now let it rest another hour at room temperature, and let's get ready with the ingredients. Voila, the key ingredient here is the garlic. Let's go ahead and let's open up a few garlic, a few garlic. Let's peel it off. Now that we peel it off the garlic, and voila guys, this is how the garlic supposed to be look like. Let's go ahead and let's create our own garlic cream, easy and fast. Let's dump the garlic in a bowl. We need 3 teaspoons of butter. I like this one because it says right here. Let's go ahead and let's melt it a little bit. Voila guys, I put it in the microwave a little bit, and I basically melted the butter. So let's go ahead and let's dump the butter inside the garlic. Now mix everything inside this with garlic. 2 nice big teaspoons of cream cheese. And let's mix everything together and we make one whole cream. Wow, smells so good. Also, I like to put a little bit of oregano inside. Just a little bit, not too much. So this is how the garlic cream supposed to be look like. Nice. Now we can go ahead and get ready with the pizza. Guys, for this pizza we're gonna use a pan like this. This is probably, if you can see my hand, it's probably 12 inches by 8 inches. This is how the dough looks like when after 1 hour. First of all, let's get the pan here, put a little bit of olive oil under, go all over the place. This way, this olive oil is gonna give it a nice crispy on the bottom, crispy touch on the bottom. Is put a little bit of Parmesan. This is gonna make the breadstick nice and with a crispy texture. Put this on the side right there. Olive oil on your hands and try to get it like that. See? Now it's nice and strong. So try to open up the dough like that, and in the same time go ahead and put it on top of the on the peel. Try to make the same thickness on the pizza dough. So see here, it's a little bit thicker, so press down. So try to make all the same thickness and the shape of the pan. So if you see that it's thin, go ahead and press. So now we're gonna take off all the air to this pizza by pressing down, but make sure it's flat and doesn't get one on top of the other. Otherwise you gotta get nervous. Grab the cream cheese, and we're gonna go ahead and spread this on top of the pizza, or the one that we prep. So now just gently press everywhere. Voila. So at this point, let us sit the dough for 30 minutes at room temperature, just right here. We don't touch it, and we keep it for 30 minutes before putting it in the oven. Right now, let's go ahead and let's warm up the oven. 400 Fahrenheit, and then we can go ahead and put the pizza in the oven. Okay guys, 30 minutes is passed by, and this is how the pizza looks like. You see? Incorporate these 30 minutes, incorporate the dough, incorporate a little bit more air inside. So now at this point, let's go ahead and let's cover up the pizza with shredded cheese. Of course, high quality shredded cheese is the best for this pizza. So not too much, not too less. We're just gonna cover the whole pizza. Now that we cover up the pizza with the cheese, let's go ahead and let's use some oregano on top, just to give a nice flavor. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and let's cook the pizza at 400 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's the time to melt the whole cheese. Voila! Can't wait to taste this. Pizza. The bread is lovely, ready. So now, while it's hot, I prepare some nice garlic oil. So just go ahead and put a little bit on top just to give it a nice flavor. Now we're gonna put some nice rain of Parmesan cheese on top, everywhere, and perfect. Wow, I can smell already all the. I can smell the Parmesan that it was under. Outstanding. Boom, baby. Ooh. Let's check out the bottom. Wow. Did you see the crispiness that is under of this pizza? Take a look. Did you see the crispiness that is under this bread? We're gonna let it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and make it into breadsticks. Okay guys, it's time to go ahead and cut. It's soft and crunchy in the same time. The cheese, the cream cheese that we put, and made this nice and soft. Shh. Did you see? Nice. That's the perfection. Ooh. Let me judge. Take a look. So now it's your time to judge before we taste. Take a look, the cream cheese. It's lovely. Wow. So this is my garlic bread sticks. So let's if we want to make a little bit more like a breadsticks, a real breadsticks, voila. So I call this breadsticks by Maestro Iacopelli. So now it's time to taste. Outstanding. Can't believe how easy was to make these breadsticks. Comment below, tag me on Instagram when you remake this, and I'll see you at the next week. Every week, new video. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna finish this breadstick by myself.